One thing that you'll never hear me say is that starting a business is easy. Now, sometimes I say starting a certain type of business can be easier than other businesses, just like some marriages, if you pick the wrong partner, can be harder than other marriages. I will never say that it's easy because starting your own business takes a lot of grit, tenacity, commitment, dedication, showing up, a vulnerability, willingness to look stupid sometimes. So at the end of the day, business growth is largely linked to the amount of mental growth that you're willing to do. So no, there's really nothing easy about starting a business, but is it worth it? Yeah. You know, in life, sometimes the things that are the hardest are the things that make you feel like it was the most worthwhile. Again, going back to the family analogy, nothing is easy about kids, but what is more gratifying than when things work out? When your child behaves, or you just have that feeling, that warm feeling of gratitude that you brought this human onto the planet and they're showing you some love and affection in return. So all this to say, business not always easy. You can pick businesses that will be easier than others, but no, it's not easy. But I mean, who wants easy?